Hello, Polish Best for UK here, and welcome to another Game of Day video. So today we're looking at more homebrew, and we're looking at a ZX Spectrum homebrew title called Castlevania Special Interlude, I think it's called, something like that. I have covered this slightly before on the channel, but I thought I'd revisit it. So this is running on Spectrum Plus 3, and yep, let's have a look at this game. So yeah, obviously we've got the Spectrum Plus 3 here, so let's start the game and let's see what we got with this one. So I'm just going to insert the virtual floppy disk. Actually it's a tape, sorry, not a disk, but yeah, anyway, so let's start the game. Right, okay, so we're starting off our quest in 2015. So this is a game by Rewind, so this is by Rewind. Now I do remember playing this before and being extremely impressed with it. It's basically a port of the old Castlevania games, but it's sort of like a sort of goes with the Nintendo original entertainment system sort of theme. We've got a hypnosis there, but we're not going to go into that on this video. So this is Castlevania Spectral Interlude. So to move the menu you have to use Q and A. Q to go up, A to go down, like QALP. Press space and you can choose your controls. You can actually refine the keys and do that, but I'm just going to keep it as that. So yeah, this is obviously homebrew 2015. Yeah, you got some hypnosis. I mean, you can pause the screen and pause the video and look at all this, but I'm not going to be doing all that in Game of Days. So right, one thing you can't do is go this way. But yeah, it's quite hard to believe that this is actually running on a ZX Spectrum. It reminds me of a Nintendo Entertainment System game. They really pulled it off. The Spectrum wasn't really all that favourable for arcade adventures like this because of the hardware limitations of the system, but this is seriously cool and seriously impressive. Watching out for these guys. Oh shit, they've come running at me at a fast rate, haven't they? The audio sounds a little distorted. I wonder if it's actually emulating the distortion. I'm just going to change that to the Spectrum Plus 2. I don't think it will be, but it does sound slightly distorted. It's probably just my configuration. So let's go for... where's it gone there? I'm going to change it to the Spectrum Plus... Spectrum 128 tiles back actually. Do apologise about the screen sizes, that does happen a lot. But yeah, let's try running the game again. It might just be I've just got it wrong, just configuration set up wrong. Right, so normal. Right, so this is how the game runs on the Tiles Rack 128 original Spectrum by Sinclair themselves. No Amstrad involvement. Yeah, it runs great. So let's proceed on. Skeletons are out to get you. Funny how it goes right to left rather than left to right on this version. Hate the way the monsters start increasing their speed. Yeah, the distortion's still there. I don't know if that's just intentional. Right, let's jump across here. You do get a lot of text segments in the game. Have some of that. I really am not going to read all of them in a Game of Day scenario. Right, can we get up there? Doesn't look like we can. No, so let's go back the other way. They keep spawning them guys. Let's proceed on. Oh, it's these guys. I remember the. Oh, fuck off. I remember them guys on the Simon's Quest on the Nintendo original. The pain in the arse. Have that. Oh, shit. Yeah, because if you get hit by them, they bench you right into the water. They're a pain in the arse, they are. Oh, fuck off. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, man. So, yeah. It's not an easy game. Not for someone like me, anyway. I'm shit at games. At least you get to start for me, and when you get game over, that's pretty cool. Let's try that again, shall we? Will you fuck off? I wonder if you can go this way, up here. Yeah, that platform looks big enough. I'm going to try that. I can't jump up there so far. Can I? Oh, I've made it. Shall we try going back this way? Fuck off. I think I'm just going back to the start, aren't I? I'm not sure actually. Yeah, I think I'm just going back to the start. Let's just go back this way again then. So this bit is really difficult. I can't seem to get past it. I like the way the game's got sound effects and music simultaneously, which is quite uncommon with the 8-bit micros. Yeah, I'm not going to get past that bit. So yeah, that's Castlevania on the Spectrum. Very impressive homebrew port. I couldn't get very far on it, of course, because I'm shit at games. I've got to give that one absolute superb 10 out of 10. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Bye!